video, I'm going to share with you a very seamless, easy method for you to actually start your own YouTube channel, grow it, and get to monetization. And then, of course, without you even worrying of what the next content idea is going to be, or what kind of niche should you be in, or what kind of thing you should be creating, or who your potential audience are. Because all you need is one particular app, and that is ChatGPT. And I'm going to show you how you can be able to use this app effectively to actually get everything running smoothly for you. I know a lot of people must have heard the ChatGPT app, but you definitely don't know how to use it. Probably if you know how to use it, you are not using it effectively to your best interest, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to get the effectiveness from using ChatGPT to start and grow your YouTube channel up to monetization. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your Play Store, your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store, depending on the device that you are using. Go to the search bar of your Play Store and type ChatGPT. It's going to come out like this. Now in my own, because I already have it in my phone, it's saying open, but if it is you that is doing it for the first time, it's going to say install, or maybe you have it before, it's going to say update if you don't have the recent version. But whatever it says, just go ahead and either install it or update it. It's also definitely going to count, and then it's going to say open like this. Just click on it and we are going to get us straight to the app, and here you can be able to ask ChatGPT anything you want as pertains to starting a YouTube channel. So I am going to go ahead and ask ChatGPT the first question, which is I want to start a YouTube channel, and how do I go about starting a YouTube channel? And let's see what ChatGPT is going to tell us. Let's see if it's going to give us any information that is going to help us to start our YouTube channel. So once you click on that, just click on send once you are done typing, and voila, ChatGPT just explained how you can be able to start your own YouTube channel, what you are supposed to consider, talking about your niche, talking about the things that you're supposed to be doing on YouTube, how YouTube works, and everything that you need to know when it comes to starting your YouTube channel. It also talks about your branding, talks about your planning your content, it talks about creating your first video, uploading and optimizing your videos, and all of those things, right? I'm going to ask another question for ChatGPT to also help us get started. Here, this one says, how do I pick a niche? ChatGPT will also teach you how to pick a niche. So you see that you basically don't need to brainstorm when it comes to starting your YouTube channel. Even if you don't have a niche idea in your head, just ask ChatGPT. It's going to tell you everything. Now ChatGPT is explaining to you what you need to consider when it comes to picking a niche, what you need to think about, talking about how you can be able to stay long term on YouTube, the kind of videos that you would love to be making, and some of the things really that you need to know when it comes to starting a YouTube channel. Now let's take for example that ChatGPT gave us the list of channels example that ChatGPT gave us, and then we picked health and wellness niche, because of course, just like I said, ChatGPT is going to guide you through, and here ChatGPT gave us list of niches that we can actually pick from. So let's say we picked the health and wellness niche. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me 10 content ideas in the health and wellness niche that I can actually use to start this new YouTube channel, like if I choose the health and wellness niche. So let's see if ChatGPT is going to give us 10 content ideas. Okay, and boom, ChatGPT just gave us 10 content ideas that are actually going to blow up that new YouTube channel. And these content ideas are from ChatGPT's ability to see the ones that are doing very well in that particular health and wellness niche. These are high searching content on the YouTube space, right? That is what ChatGPT is actually suggesting here. So if you create any of this content, right, your videos are going to be getting good views, right? Now let's ask ChatGPT another question as it pertains to growing on YouTube or starting our YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm asking ChatGPT now to write a good script for me picking one of the content ideas that ChatGPT gave me. I'm going to go with number 2. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to make it a script that I can use to create a video on YouTube, because of course when you are creating a video on YouTube, you want to first of all script your video, and boom, ChatGPT just script this video, how to naturally boost your immune system in 7 days. This is the topic and this is the scripts that ChatGPT just gave us. So ChatGPT is going to tell you every single thing. ChatGPT is going to be there on for you every single step of the way to create your own YouTube channel. In fact, you don't even need to brainstorm content ideas, because you can see now that ChatGPT can actually give you content ideas. If you are even talking about hashtags that you can put in your YouTube channel, just give ChatGPT the kind of channel that you run, talking about what the kind of channel does and all of that. ChatGPT is also going to give you hashtags. Now, this is me asking ChatGPT how long it's going to take for this new YouTube channel to monetize, and this is ChatGPT explaining to me the criteria involved in monetization and the step-by-step process that I can use to actually monetize this particular YouTube channel. So you see that ChatGPT is a all-in-one app, right, that can really guide you through the process. You don't need to ask anybody anymore. Just ask ChatGPT. It's going to do the magic for you. Even if it gets to the point where you need to create a banner for your YouTube channel, or you even need to find a name for your YouTube channel, if you can't even find a name for yourself for your YouTube channel, ChatGPT is definitely going to give you that name. I asked a bunch of questions, as you can see on your screen, and ChatGPT continually gave me the answers to those questions. So you can see that even if you do not know how to start up your own YouTube channel in 2025, ChatGPT can actually be there to get you through it all the way from start to finish. It can also give you a 1-month content idea plan, right? That is the question I just asked ChatGPT, to give me a 1-month content idea plan and how I can go about posting content and the kind of content that I can post for the next 1 month on that particular new YouTube channel. And this is what ChatGPT has given me now, right? Now, if you need ChatGPT to do anything for you as pertains to growing here on YouTube, you don't need to, be scared. Just type it there. ChatGPT is that one friend that you can actually go to no matter the time of the day. ChatGPT is definitely going to be there for you. So I hope this video has been able to help you. I hope this video has been able to show you. I hope this video has been able to create the light bulb moment for you when it comes to starting your own YouTube channel in 2025 or in whatever year that you are going to be watching this video. Okay, so if you like content around growing here on YouTube, I currently run 5 YouTube channels and I've monetized 3, and I'm on my journey to monetize the remaining 2. And then I share my ideas, I share the knowledge that I've gotten over the years building and monetizing my YouTube channel on this channel. So if you want to learn more from me, if you want to learn from my ideas, from my years of experience, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to let me know your thoughts in the comment sections, because I would love to know what you think about ChatGPT helping you to create content, helping you to start up your own YouTube channel from scratch. Okay, thank you so much, you guys, for joining me on today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video, you guys. I have a bunch of other videos in my description box that is also going to help you grow here on YouTube. Don't forget to check it out. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.